I am intelligent, therefore nature is intelligent. As humans, we make inferences using our logic. We tend to think that this logic is infallible. I am intelligent, therefore nature is intelligent. In our world, and it is the only world we know, we are the measure of everything. We can fit the universe into our heads. We consider ourselves the microcosm. Everything is anthropomorphic. Words are symbols of communication, governed by the rules of grammar. We are subjective, not objective. We can only see the world the way we see ourselves, not as it is. In grammar, you have subjects and objects. When we observe, we create. The object is not a mere reflection of reality. This happens because we have concepts that we use to classify information. We end up clinging to concepts until reality becomes a blur. And we are conditioned to think that concepts are the real thing. Everything has been intellectualized. We are numb to our emotions. We think about things more than we feel them. By feeling, I mean the emotions we have can only feel our emotions. We can't think about them. How can we think about our emotions? It's impossible. And most of the stuff in this world we can only feel. Can only feel. Because it's all real. But when it's just in your head, you're just crunching numbers and you have pictures floating around. Doesn't seem real. It's more like a dream then. It's more like you're in the theater and pictures are moving. Because pictures, even though you can have them in a sequence, they don't show the whole thing. So there's information that's missing there. In the sense that there are other elements that you can't see. Everything that has gone behind that, everything that has gone into the production of that motion picture. The big stage stuff. You don't see all that stuff. And that's the real stuff. That's the juice. That's where life is. But then we've been told stories, and we even tell ourselves stories, and we believe these stories, and we want to play them on repeat. Just like a movie. But this is life. You can't rewind. You can't repeat. Everything is just spontaneous. It comes and it goes. Then I don't think it's correct to say I'm intelligent, therefore nature is intelligent. Because I've tried to show you by what I've said that we only see the world through our eyes. We create it. So if we think the world is intelligent, nature is intelligent, and we repeat it as many times to ourselves, it becomes true. Then again, it's only true in our conceptual world.